Hi, this is Matt, and we're here in New Fairfield, Connecticut, northern Fairfield County, and I'm going to show you some video of the aftermath of the pre-Halloween nor'easter. You can see some trees down. Well, that's just a branch. But we have a big weeping willow tree that is no more. You used to go about 40 feet. Now it probably goes about 15-20 feet. And actually we're going to take a break and go on the other side of that. Here's the other side of that weeping willow tree. This used to be a completely cleared field back here. I know those were touching the ground. I got some pictures we'll show right about here. And we'll come back. You can hear all the generators going in the background. Today is Wednesday, November 2nd. The storm came by on Saturday, October 29th. And we still don't have power. About 95% or more of New Fairfield is without power. And this is cleared all the way past all these trees up here. All these trees are all down. And you can see the branches and everything else. Look at that tree up there.
Can you figure out what tree this is?
We got all these bushes down. They used to stand about 20 feet high and now about maybe 6 feet. And you can see it on the other side with the sun glare. But there's another tree down there. A neighbor had a tree. My daughter and I saw this actually fall. Right on top, right alongside their house. Hit their car too. And this is our driveway. We woke up Sunday morning with a tree completely across the driveway. It took us a couple hours to get it about quarter to a cut. And then thank you to town of New Fairfield came by and cut the rest of it up. You can see it's still all over the place. And that's what that disaster area looks like with a nor'easter in late October. And behind me we've got some more branches down. And we're just struggling by. We've got fire in the fireplace, we got a kerosene heater, but no electricity. Right now it is Wednesday, November 2nd. Don't know when we're going to be able to post this. I'll probably do an update at the very end of this to let you know when we actually got the power back. So let's take a look at the front yard. Nothing but tree limbs. Well, here's today, November 5th, Saturday morning, and you hear chainsaws going on in the background of this. Nothing I can do about it. That's kind of what I'm going to be doing in a few minutes. We got our power back last night. That's a little more than 6 days. And I think the official accumulation here in New Fairfield, Connecticut was 18 inches. Yeah, I think that was 18 inches. That's a lot of snow for October. That's why there were so many trees down. There were just leaves everywhere. Not every tree had leaves, and the ones that didn't do too good. Kind of like that willow tree behind me, and neighbor has one with a little bit of roof damage to his house. So That's what we're going to do. Just wanted to give you an update. See you next time. This is Matt, your New England treasure seeker. And always remember, keep your eyes open, head on a swivel, and you too can make money.